For my last couple days in New Mexico, I would be heading back to Albuquerque to attend the balloon festival and visit some family. I'm taking what they call the Rail Runner to get into Albuquerque. This is an extremely quick and affordable way to get between Santa Fe and Albuquerque if you don't have a vehicle while you're traveling. My aunt and uncle picked me up from the train station and took me back to their beautiful home that has the most amazing view of the Sandia Mountains in the morning. Not only that, but I could also see the balloon festival starting that morning. I've had family in New Mexico my entire life, but this would actually be the first time I'd ever be attending the balloon festival. I would be attending with my cousin Lorenzo, his wife Ashley, and their daughter Adrina. He let me know that we needed to head out around 5 a.m. so we could get a good parking spot and beat the traffic.
Morning.
After watching the first balloons take off, we waited in line for some coffee and donuts as we watched them float overhead into the darkness. After getting our coffee, we headed a little further into the field to see a balloon that Audrina wanted to see filled up. After finishing watching the unicorn take flight, we moved to the back of the field so we could get a better view of all the balloons. With that, my time in New Mexico had come to an end. It was time to head back to my aunt and uncle's to get packed so I could head back home. If there's one thing that I've learned on all these trips, is it's amazing how fast 2 weeks can go by when you're having fun. And I don't know what it is about the journey home, but as soon as I get on the plane and we start to take off, I immediately reminisce about all the amazing memories that I've had, and how excited I am to come back and make even more. And just like that, I was back home. As always, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon on another amazing adventure.